Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and welcome to the first installment of our video series tailored to help maintenance and operations teams achieve excellence. In today's video, we'll dive into the crawl phase of building a successful maintenance team. We'll be discussing everything from work requests and work orders to key performance metrics and effective communication strategies. So if you're ready to set the foundation for your team's continued success, stick around. Welcome to the first part of our comprehensive guide to building a maintenance excellence team. This part is all about crawl phase, which is the beginning and the most crucial step to ensure that your maintenance team will prosper and continue to improve. This is the time to set the playing field and communicate to everyone what is starting to happen. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is to evaluate your work requests. Since anyone can make a work request, it's important that these requests are first vetted by a department lead or manager to ensure their authenticity. If the request is signed off on, then it officially becomes a request and is entered into the Computerized Maintenance Management System, or CMMS. This is a crucial step to becoming a first-class maintenance team. Next, let's talk about the types of work orders. I recommend 3 types: released, unreleased, and breakdown. A released work order means that you have reviewed the task, modification, or information on the work order and are committing to have it completed within a certain number of days from the release date. An unreleased work order means that you're aware of the work that needs to be done, but it's not a top priority. And a breakdown work order is exactly what it sounds like. It's used whenever there is a stop in production and maintenance is called out to restart the machine. It's also important to establish metrics for your maintenance team. Some metrics that I recommend are preventive maintenance compliance, preventive maintenance work orders, planned maintenance compliance, and breakdown work orders. These metrics will provide necessary information to you as your team matures. Shift change meetings or turnover reports are a must. These meetings only take 5 to 10 minutes to accomplish and set the pace for both incoming and outgoing technicians. It's also beneficial to have a communication board designed by the maintenance team. This board shows what staff is doing for the day and when special work is going to happen. Regular maintenance team meetings are also crucial. There needs to be a set day and time to have a maintenance meeting for your entire plant. These meetings are the time and place to communicate what's going on and what's being planned for next week. Another important aspect is setting time aside for planned maintenance, downturns, and outages. Downturns need to be established at least 3 months in advance and should not extend past 8 hours or 1 shift. Outages need to be scheduled and established at least 12 months in advance and are more than 16 hours of no production. And last but certainly not least, communication is key. Everyone needs to know that they are involved in the process and how the process works. If you decide something needs corrected, altered, or removed from the original plan, make sure to communicate this to everyone so no one is left in the dark. So, to recap, in the crawl phase, everyone should be able to make a work request. There are 3 types of work orders. Your team should decide what metrics to be established. Shift change meetings or turnover reports are a must-have item. You should also have a communication board designed by the maintenance. Maintenance meetings should be established for the entire plant, and downturns need to be established at least 3 months in advance. Thank you for watching. We've covered the crawl phase of building a successful maintenance team, including work requests, work orders, key performance metrics, and effective communication strategies. Remember, this is the basic startup path and can be tailored to fit your maintenance department's needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and visit upkeep.com to learn more about our tools and resources. Stay tuned for the next parts of this series where we'll discuss the walk and run phases.